Namaskar, Vanakkam, and pleasant morning to each and every one of you. I'm extremely happy and be a part of this very important event where CSR NL has taken an initiative to just think about, to brainstorm, and to get to know what are the challenges and how to go about, especially when it comes to the unified airspace management. And I should definitely join Dr. Pashilkar in welcoming all the very important guests, those who are really decorating in on the stage and also off the stage. When NAL is working on and when we are proudly talking about that we are indigenizing different components of Tejas, now we have with us today the pilot of Tejas, and therefore I think this is the best way that a workshop can be arranged where somebody has really taken the complete control of one particular aircraft and the other one who is really trying to indigenize it from the research point of view. I think Air Marshal's view that are going to be shared in this particular workshop will definitely give a very big learning point for NAL team, and therefore I should definitely thank for your presence, and I'll be definitely missing your talk, but I think the R&D team, those who are here, definitely they'll be getting a lot of benefits. And when it comes to the secretary of MOCA, I think CSIR is always finding lot more support from almost every secretary, and a special mention has to be made with respect to MOCA, because recently when we just announced our partner, the production partner for our two-seater aircraft, Hansa NG, at that time also, again, that time the present secretary DOE, Mr. Valnamji, he was the secretary MOCA, and he was there, and even the minister of MOCA was also there along with our minister, and this is how always MOCA and CSIR, we always travel together. And thank you very much, Ji, for the time that you are sparing with us. I know he is having a very important meeting at 10:30 onwards, but anyway, he has already decided to spend some time with us, and I truly appreciate your interest. And all of us, we know that the real-time hero, Somnath Ji, is here with us. So whenever the country India is talked about in the global arena for Chandrayaan 3, definitely the name that comes to our mind is definitely Somnath Ji. So thank you so very much for your time also. Your presence and your talks will definitely motivate many of us. And Hanumandar Rao Ji has really given you what is terrestrial, what is non-terrestrial. Ji, you are making me to really feeling so sad, and I have to think about very many points, because all the time I was thinking that friend and foe, it is only a matter only in office or in real time or in society. Now you are saying when I am just looking up the sky also, now I should say who is my friend, who is my foe. So whether I should concentrate in my driving or whether I should even identify who is my friend and who is foe, I think lot of challenges are happening. Now when we are not able to even arrive at a kind of a convincing conclusion and a convincing management with respect to our even road traffic, now we are forced to think air traffic also in a much more serious manner. That is the biggest challenge. So you people should definitely now understand. So whatever we talked on roadside, so we had started with two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, then we said that conventional fuels, then we started about e-fuels, we started about e-mobility, now we talked about air mobility. Then in air mobility, again, we have number of, I would say, vehicles. So once we had only aircrafts, then they said it is not only aircrafts, there are helicopters. Then we understood, okay, helicopters. Now they say drones. Now he is telling friend and foe drone also. Okay, drones are there. Now we are talking about number of unmanned aerial vehicles. And in between we have the HAPS also. This is a high altitude pseudo platform also. So he will also be somewhere roaming there, hanging there. And we have to really have some kind of an agreement, some kind of an unwritten MOA, some kind of friendship by means of which we have to make the air traffic to go in a very perfect manner. And this sustainable air management and air mobility, it requires lot of help from the AI world especially. So we have to now get lot of data. One is data collection, and the second one is this blockchain based data communication, and the third one is AI based decision making. And above all these things should definitely give you the safety and security end of the day, and everything should be controlled by a real control room or a virtual control room, manned vehicle, unmanned aerial vehicle. All these points you have to arrive at a solution. And therefore, friends, we are here to just help you in getting known about these challenges And also, we are not going to leave you as such just by listing out these are the challenges. That is why we have the galaxy of leaders here, and galaxy of speakers are also going to join you from time to time. They will tell you, don't get worried about all these challenges. We are here to help you, educate you, handhold you, handshake you, and to travel with you, by means of which we as a team can definitely see that this sustainable and unified aircraft management and air traffic management is best taken care of in the Indian scenario. I think taking this moment one more time, I really wish to congratulate and appreciate all the big leaders, those who are here, because your very presence and your motivating words will definitely give a different kind of a support to my CSR NAL family. And this is one good initiation that DG Samir or Somnath ji or MOCA secretary, your presence gives another very important message that CSR is not doing any work on its own. We are not a sole performer. We are not going to do it in silos. We are going to definitely work with each and every one of you in a very satisfying proportion of understanding each other's strengths and capabilities. And therefore, by putting together all the synergy, this is the time, and this workshop is going to give a very good confidence that this synergy is going to give a very big profit in the coming times. With these few words, please enjoy the complete 2 days workshop and get to know more things. Then you just get yourself motivated and put in all your energy in your laboratories, and then come up with number of success stories. And maybe after 1 year in the same place, because this place is very much special, because we are talking from the NPL space, who is the timekeeper of India, and these people are the custodian of Constitution of India. So it is historically important scientific lab, and therefore after 1 year, all of us should again assemble here, and we have to take stock. What is it that you learned today, and by means of which, what are you going to share with us the success story? I look forward that particular day, and I congratulate Director Dr. Abhay Pashilkar for his very dynamic leadership. And also I should definitely thank the Director NPL, because NPL, we always take it for granted. We always come, encroach, conduct the show, and just go back. And thank you so very much for the great understanding. Have a great time. Namaskar.